So there, Jim Gavigan, Industrial Insight. As I promised, I was going to start shooting a couple of 2-minute videos. I have a little timer right there on my phone, so this will keep me in time, hopefully. A little bit of a pre-Milton video. Looks like we're going to get a bunch of rain, some wind out of Milton, and prayers up for my buddy Nick Patella, who works for me. He's down in the Port Charlotte area, so hoping it goes north of him. But I got some friends over in Tampa. It's going to be rough on them. Anyway, I've used up 30 seconds already. So here's what's on my mind. A couple years ago, or probably 4 or 5 years ago, shot a video about how plants were going to run worse in 10 years because we don't know what good looks like anymore because we have too many people retiring. So here we are post-COVID. A bunch of people took their toys and went home. I mean, we know how many people retired during COVID. Now we have lots of younger engineers and people in supervisory positions who probably don't have the experience to be there, and they're not sticking around long enough because they're, still hopping jobs. Nobody's going to stay in the same position for 25 years. So how are we going to keep our plants running? Because we have no experience. We have people who don't know the process or the plant. We've lost all or most of our gray hair, and if not, they've already put in their retirement plans, at least in the next 2 to 3 years. I know a bunch of people who are retiring in the next 2 to 3 years, and I'm not sure what these companies are going to do without them because they don't have the experience to backfill them, and they don't have anybody in the ranks who has stuck around long enough to know anywhere close to what they know. So what's the answer? What do we do about that? That's my challenge to everybody today, is what are we going to do about that? What do y'all think? And look, I made it under 2 minutes. Take care.